If you've ever printed with a brim, especially on a large print, to ensure that you get as much layer adhesion as possible to the build surface to prevent any lifting from the corners of a print, you'll most likely be familiar with the annoyance of trying to remove those brims, those leftover pieces. Because, yeah, you can kind of peel them off, but there's a little bit left over, and it's kind of annoying. But what I'm going to do is just show you a little tool that maybe you've seen before, maybe you haven't, and hopefully, maybe if you haven't, this will be some fun little information here for you to help you remove those brims. Now, this is a deburring tool. It's a pretty inexpensive tool. You can get them for like 10 bucks on Amazon with additional blades and such, although this is meant to be used on like PVC, so on a PVC pipe you would rub this around the pipe when you make a cut to deburr it. But these things actually work really well for removing excess brims. Just like that. And then on the other side, you would do the same. And bada bing, bada boom, that brim is gone. And it makes a really nice, clean cut. So you would do that on the exterior portions of your prints where you have that excess brim. And you would just continue doing that. And yeah, it works pretty well. So I thought I'd just show you guys this tool. For whatever reason, I didn't find out about it until like several months after I started 3D printing. This is going to save yourself a lot of time. I used to use like sandpaper to get rid of those brim portions, but this tool definitely makes life a lot easier.